Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is the ultimate starter drone for new pilots and aerial content creators, combining premium imaging with unmatched ease of use. Weighing just 249 g, it requires no FAA registration, giving beginners the freedom to fly right out of the box. Built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors provide an extra layer of safety, helping prevent accidents and boosting confidence during early flights. Despite its ultralight build, the DJI Flip delivers flagship-level camera quality. Capture stunning 4K 60 stabilized video and switch between 12MP or 48MP still photos, with support for JPG, RAW, DNG, and a professional D-Log-M flat color profile for maximum editing flexibility. Whether you're sharing casual clips or crafting cinematic aerial footage, the Flip's gimbal-stabilized camera ensures smooth, detailed results. Control options are flexible and beginner-friendly. Use the included dedicated remote, connect through the smartphone app, or take advantage of on-aircraft controls for quick, intuitive flight inputs. With a 1080p live feed, you get a crystal-clear first-person view of your flight in real time. Perfect for beginners, content creators, and recreational flyers, the DJI Flip offers high-end features without the complexities. Note that it does not include remote ID, making it ideal for hobbyists rather than commercial pilots. Key specs. Dimensions, 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 in. Weight, 8.8 ounces, 249 g. Rotors, 4. Video, 4K 60. Photos, up to 48 MP. Storage, internal plus microSD-XC. Controls, remote with LCD/smartphone app. Live feed, 1080p. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the best entry-level drones available today, delivering premium imaging performance in a compact, beginner-friendly package. Weighing just 249 g, it can be flown without FAA registration, making it perfect for recreational pilots or anyone looking to start flying with minimal barriers. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 packs a powerful camera capable of shooting 4K 30 HDR-style video, as well as 12MP JPG or RAW DNG photos. Its f1.7 lens performs impressively in low light, and the camera's ability to tilt 60 degrees upward adds creative flexibility not found in many small drones. The Mini 3 supports both landscape and true vertical shooting, making it ideal for creators who produce content for multiple platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. With 38-minute flight times, you can stay in the air longer and capture more without constant battery swaps. Safety features like GPS stabilization, return to home, and Find My Drone provide peace of mind, though it's worth noting that this model does not include obstacle avoidance. For licensed pilots, the Mini 3 includes remote ID, making it compliant for commercial use when paired with the extended battery. Whether you're filming real estate, capturing wedding footage, or running a monetized channel, the Mini 3 is ready for work. Key specs. Dimensions, 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 in. Weight, 8.8 ounces, 249 g. Rotors, 4. Video, 4K 30. Photos, 12MP. Storage, microSD-XC. Remote, dedicated with app or LCD. Live feed, 1080p. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 shows that DJI isn't the only brand capable of creating a high-quality, ultralight drone. Weighing just 249 g, the Atom 2 avoids FAA registration requirements for recreational flyers, yet it still delivers the professional features pilots expect. Its 4K 30 camera, mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, produces smooth, stable video, while still photographers can capture 12MP or 48MP images in JPG or RAW DNG formats for maximum creative flexibility. The drone's 32-minute flight time and reliable in-air stability make it a strong performer for both new and experienced pilots. Unlike most sub-250G drones, the Atom 2 includes built-in remote ID, making it fully compliant for commercial use, ideal for real estate photography, paid videography, content creation, and more. The included dedicated remote control offers precise, responsive handling, and the drone streams a crisp 1080p live video feed directly to your mobile device for easy framing and navigation. The Potensic Atom 2 is a strong choice for beginners, thanks to its smooth video, attractive price point, and solid reliability. While it does not include obstacle avoidance sensors, pilots who fly carefully will appreciate its excellent imaging and stable performance. Recreational flyers can enjoy hassle-free flight without registration, and licensed pilots can rely on its remote ID for professional work. Key specs. Dimensions: 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 in. Weight: 8.8 ounces, 249 G. Rotors: 4. Video: 4K 30. Photos: up to 48 MP. Storage: microSD. Remote, dedicated with app support. Live feed, 1080p. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is the perfect drone for anyone who wants fast, effortless selfies and smooth landscape videos without the learning curve. Lightweight, ultra-portable, and equipped with integrated propeller guards, the Neo is designed for safe, easy flights even from the palm of your hand. Whether you're capturing solo shots or documenting a day outdoors, the Neo keeps things simple, stable, and fun. Despite its tiny size, the Neo records clean, steady 4K video and captures 12 MP photos, making it ideal for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and other social platforms. Its compact frame supports a flight time of about 18 minutes, giving you plenty of time to grab content before recharging. You can fly manually using the smartphone app, and if you prefer more precise control, a dedicated remote is available separately. While its video profile isn't as advanced as higher-end DJI drones, the Neo still delivers impressive clarity for its $199 starting price. Perfect for beginners, the Neo practically flies itself. One-tap automated flight modes make cinematic movements easy, while palm takeoff/landing removes the stress of tricky launches. Selfie lovers will appreciate the on-device controls that let you record instantly, no app connection required. And because it weighs under 249 G, recreational pilots can fly without FAA registration. Note, it does not include remote ID, so it isn't suitable for professional pilots. Key specs. Dimensions: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 in. Weight: 4.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Video: 4K. Photos: 12 MP. Storage: internal. Remote: smartphone/tablet app, optional handheld remote sold separately. Live feed: 1080p. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. Experience flight like never before with the DJI Avata 2, an FPV, first-person view, drone designed to put you directly in the pilot's seat. By streaming an ultra-low latency live feed straight to its premium FPV goggles, the Avata 2 gives you a thrilling cockpit view as you zip through tight spaces, execute dynamic banks and turns, and experience the adrenaline rush of flips, barrel rolls, and vertical plunges. This isn't a drone for scenic aerial photography, it's designed for speed, agility, and heart-pounding fun. Flying an FPV drone typically requires advanced pilot skill, but the Avata 2 lowers the barrier with intuitive controls. Its motion-sensitive controller allows you to steer naturally with hand movements, and the drone can brake instantly and hover, giving beginners more room for error than traditional manual FPV rigs. With 4K per 60 frames per second and 2.7K per 120 frames per second recording options, you can capture all the action in crisp, cinematic quality. While it lacks automatic obstacle avoidance, its forgiving handling makes it ideal for learning the ropes. The included FPV goggles elevate immersion with dual micro-OLED displays that provide a crystal-clear view of your flight path. They're designed for comfort and customizable fit, offering adjustable IPD and built-in diopter correction for pilots with glasses or vision differences. For advanced stunts like steep dives and motor-off drops, the optional DJI Remote Controller 3 unlocks full manual control. Whether you're a newcomer to FPV or building your skills, the DJI Avata 2 delivers an unmatched blend of excitement, clarity, and control.